Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Rob from Make Money Audit, and today we're doing another audit on Stacy Law, Make Money with Stacy Law, how to build a one-person business and get fast traffic with AI agents. Copy my AI workflow. So again, she's not what I've audited her channel a few times, and every time it comes back with the same result. It's a D, only because of the fact that the concept is still there. So that's why she's getting this the D. So we'll move into the audit here and get started here. Okay, so the proof of the business in the video has made exactly $0. She tells that herself. So basically it's just another sales funnel for her affiliate links and such. She opens by saying one-person businesses are creating more millionaires right now than business in history. Wrong. The real number is 0.385%, fewer than 4 in 1,000 person businesses ever hit $1 million. That's the U.S. Census, not me. That's where I got that data from. You can go look it up. So we'll go ahead and play a little bit of the video, and then we'll get more back into the audit.
Something crazy. One-person businesses with 0 employees are creating more millionaires right now than any other business at any other point in history. Can you guess why? AI agents. AI agents have
I don't know about you, but everybody who's tried to make AI agents right now is not making $1 million. And basically, again, whatever she's telling you is just out there in left field, and she's daydreaming. So here's the kill on the whole thing. Her opening claim, more than millionaires from a one-person business than any other point in history. And the reason is AI agents. Wrong. Census data, 117,060 one-person businesses hit $1 million in 2023 out of 30.4 million, 0.385%. Not even close, Stacy. Growth from 2022 to 2023 is flat at 20.22%. Okay. The doubling everyone cites 57,000 to 116,000 from 2021 to 2022 came from a census methodology change. The Census Bureau itself warns numbers aren't compatible. So yeah, basically the information she's given you, the information she went and dug up, isn't true. It's like normal. Everything else she makes is just not true. The average one person, this is a good one. The average one-person business grosses $57,611 a year in receipts. Before costs, the average U.S. wage is $67,920. So, so the average person following this path makes less than an average person with a job. The numbers in this video it just doesn't have it. She's not there, so I don't know what she's thinking. But I know she's thinking about this, basically getting you guys to buy her affiliate links so she makes money. So the data clearly shows, she says the data clearly shows AI agents are one of the biggest factors. No data appears on the screen, no source. She doesn't show anything to back up that claim. Okay, her proof the business made $0. Her words, I haven't actually launched this business yet. The business teaching you to make money has made no money. So yeah, why? Why people are you following this stuff? The whole video is a product, 17 minutes, one platform, her affiliate link, her 10% code. On camera, she says no pressure to use my link. The word affiliate appears once, buried in the description in the fine print. So come on, everybody, think about this. This is such a waste of time. Let's say costs less than a coffee and a donut. The $2.99 per month requires paying 48 months up front. Month to month runs you $12.99. Renewals jump 3 to 5 times. The agent, yeah. So her link, again, when you guys do this, the only thing that makes money is her. You guys lose money. So yeah, I just don't see it again as normal. Let's see. Money loves speed. Launch a record speed, then the demo, the business she's been building on camera still hasn't launched and hasn't earned $1. Basically, it's another wasted time for another video from Stacy showing you guys basically how to lose money and her to make money. So, you know, just I lose my, I don't know what else to say about it. She doesn't get it. She actually at one point had banned me from making comments on her channel. Since then, subsequently, it's been lifted. Maybe she finally woke up and realized that she's basically just telling all you guys lies. So, yeah, looking forward to the next video. Like and subscribe. We'll talk to you later.